So we've seen that we had our initial data set converted into a list, and now we're after breaking it up into distances and times. Now, a lot of this is for testing purposes, so I'm going to comment out this first list and make it easier for us to kind of work out here. So comment that out, save our program, run it, take a bit of stock, and clean that up there again, Control-N to clear my shell. So now we have two lists. One is for distances and one is for time. Now you'll notice that in the first list you have a heading, and in the second list here, the times list, you also have a heading. Now if you try to do calculations on those, you are going to get a problem. So what we're going to do next of all is we're going to cut out those headings, and we're going to use list slicing to achieve this. So quite simply what I do here is I'm going to overwrite the original list with a slice from that original list. And what I do is I say, okay, I want to go from the first index of that list, which is going to be from here all the way to the end. So remember, this is index 0. So if I wanted to start at 0, I'd be putting in 0 there, but we want to go from there, and this will cut this out and overwrite the original distances list with the new data. And similarly, I want to do the same for times here, square brackets, go from 1. When I don't specify a number at the end, Python knows to go all the way to the end. So again, let's compare now. We'll copy these and compare the two of them side by side. And we have a little bit of an error here. Oh, because see, I didn't call this distances. So now let's save it again and run it again. And now we can see, so again, just to be a bit clearer, down here, you had the heading distance and the heading time. They have now been cut out, and we've achieved our objective. So in the next video, we'll be probably casting these values.